On behalf of the Nigerian Council of Presidents, Kansas City, and the entire community, Nigerian community, I welcome our Consular General, Mr. Baba Gaba, and his story. Consulate to Kansas City, Missouri. Thank you.
I'm most delighted to be in this hall in Kansas City. Delighted to see the faces of Nigerians, very happy, very healthy, and quite inspiring. My gratitude and appreciation to the leadership of the Council of Presidents, the President and his ESCO members, to the warm reception accorded to us yesterday. Since then, all the hospitality that has been extended to us so far, it's really, really gratifying, and we appreciate that. Thank you very much, Mr. President. The main purpose of this meeting is to foster unity. Foster unity amongst Nigerians, and Nigerians among Americans. Because we are here, we are responsible for the welfare of Nigerians, at the same time to protect the interest of America also. What we've been doing is to find unity among the different cultural organizations. And I'm so happy to be here to find that there's a Council of Presidents which really reflects what the federal government of Nigeria wants Nigerians in diaspora to be forming. The Council of Presidents, which comprises of different cultural groups, and by proxy, whoever belongs to those cultural groups belong to the Council of Presidents. The main reason also is you now have one spokesperson, one organization that anything to deal with Nigerians will go through them and it will descend in that order. We will not have a situation where a mayor will invite Nigerians and you'll find different or 30 presidents going to the mayor's office. At the end of the day, they ask who is representing Nigeria. Each one will be struggling. The end result is everybody should go. When you have the Chinese, you have the Mexicans, you have the Filipinos going with one piece. That is why we encourage the formation of this organization. Nigerians, to please give them the support they need to carry along, to be able to convey whatever grievances, whatever message, whatever thing you need to the government, through us, since we represent the government of Nigeria. The second thing is also to give you more information, even though I know that with the internet you don't need anything to be told what's happening in Nigeria. So I'll not say much, except if there are questions on what is happening to Nigeria, in Nigeria, to Nigerians, then the answers that we have will be able to provide you. Some might be satisfactory, some might not. You know, nobody can really answer in Nigeria the question we ask, except if it is positive or negative answers. Once again, I want to thank you for coming and thank you for giving the support to this organization. And what would I say? Continue the support, and we'll continue also assisting Nigerians in diaspora. Thank you very much.
Very brief. So you're going to try to answer the question as best as you can. You are marginalizing us. We are supplying oil and we are suffering. And the last part of the question we've discussed with the council